Hi guys, so this week I'm chiselling off part of the render, or the old render off our wall, which is one of the exterior walls to our kitchen. You may have watched our previous video of how to do a French drain, and it's because we get a lot of water accumulating on this wall. So I've put in the French drain, which will help remove a lot of the excess water. But what we also want to try and do is let the bricks actually start to breathe. And we've obviously done that from the inside, but we now need to do it on the outside as well, on the exterior part of the wall. So as you can see, previously they installed a sort of waterproof, or what they thought was a waterproof membrane at the bottom of the wall. It's now been found that that actually doesn't help the water, and in fact it encourages the water to go up the wall. So this is what I'm going to be chiselling off. I'm only going to be chiselling kind of just less than a metre off. We're going to let the stones completely breathe, and then we'll re-mortar using a lime mortar, or replaster using a lime mortar, so that the stones can then breathe. So there we are, I've taken all the render off, as you can see. So we're going to let the stones dry, just give them a couple of weeks just to sort of get some air to it and let them dry, and then we're going to re-mortar back over the top, but with lime mortar, so the stones can breathe forevermore. So I'm happy with that. The only problem is I will probably now have to do this whole wall, because this is starting to flake off a little bit. Once that's pointed, it'll look much nicer than the whole wall. So maybe that's another job for another day. So next week the builders are going to be here, so we're really excited about that. Can't wait to get them here, start knocking some holes through and putting the windows and doors in and the wall. So hopefully next week we're going to start seeing some real progress on the kitchen. We're nearly there. So excited for next week. Can't wait for the builders to get here. Can't wait to show you guys what we're doing. Look forward to seeing you next week. Click the subscribe button so you can keep up to date, and see you soon. Cheers guys, bye.